Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sabir here back again with another video. Today I have made another project. It is basically AI agentic supply chain workflow in which I have tried to automate the planning and ordering and uh, coordinating with logistics team via email incorporation in the application as well. So the planning part I did with Google Colab. In the last video, I forgot to show you the Google Colab notebook. This is for this particular project. As you can see, I have created a random data for 1 year of demand and supply, and the data is completely random, which I have generated using Python. Then I trained the data. I trained the model using a random forest regressor, and then I trained the data and tested the data if the predictions are accurate or not. And then we, I downloaded the model and the related files so that I can plug in my application. This is the application which I have made in conjunction with that Google Colab database and Colab portal. Uh, as you can see, this is an app.py. I have made this in Python, and I have used SQLite as the database, and I stored all the data transactions in the database, and I used a mailtrap.io, which I'm going to show you in the in a few minutes, that how I use email connectivity with this application. So this basically I'm going to it's easier to show you how it's done rather than explaining you the little things. So this is the running application. As you can see, this is the supply chain dashboard. I have created three supposed or assumption based products. Let them be P1, P2, and P3. Their average monthly consumption is given, reorder point, safety stock, and current stock level. So the usage is pretty similar, pretty simple. As you can see, I have to order, I have to check if the product is in needs to be ordered or not. As you can see, the product P1 has a monthly consumption of 120, reorder point is 50, safety stock is 30, current level of stock is 70. Now let's say, uh, since it is a reorder point is 50, let's check if it says if we need to reorder uh, the inventory for P1. As you can see, inventory is sufficient, so it means it is telling us, the random forest model is telling us that uh, we don't need to purchase any more inventory for this, and the forecasted demand is 22.7. So let's change it to, let's say, the safety stock, the reorder point is 50, let's choose 40. So I have chosen this. As you can see, it says reorder needed, forecasted is 22.72. So we moving ahead, we can do the same thing for all three products, but I'm going to show you what is the next workflow. So the next thing is we are going to place an order. As you can see, the current forecasted demand is 22.7. So let me put it as 23, and since I have somewhat of I don't have that much of an urgency. I'm going to select the C method. There are two methods, by air or by sea. So I'm going to choose by sea just for this, and I'm going to place the order. Now, the talking about the mail integration, this is what I have been using. The mail trap. It is a tool to check if the emails generated by the Python or the code in development is working or not. As you can see, this is working, and it is telling us that the product ID with quantity number 3 to vendor 1 by C, lead time 40 days. Please process this order as soon as possible, and also I have intimated the logistics team to please arrange the pickup for the sale. As you can see, I'm going to show you that the logistics team is in CC. So this is working well. So this is a small snippet of automation that can happen using this application. So it is a pretty straightforward, easy to understand uh, process and workflow. This can be automated. You don't need to be an Excel guru or a Python or a data science expert to pull this off. This can be easily done. I would. So, lastly but not least, I would like to thank Allah for helping me developing this project, and I hope I can be much more fruitful for the community and the country moving ahead. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz. Yes, I'm going to upload this on GitHub and LinkedIn and whatever. Okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.